In this video, we will discuss the center of mass of a solid cone. So you can see this as a solid cone whose half apex angle is theta, and this distance is y, and I've considered a element of disk in this cone. And you can imagine if you are placing the disks over each other of decreasing radius, then it would form a cone. So this is a disk, elemental disk, whose width is dy and whose this distance is y and this radius is r. Now first of all, we have to calculate this r and mass of this element. We can assume that the mass of this solid cone is m. Then the mass per unit length, mass per unit volume, in fact, because it is a three-dimensional object, therefore mass per unit volume will be m upon the volume of this solid cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is mass per unit volume, which is 3m by pi r square s h. And that mass dm of this elemental disk will be equal to its volume dv into 3m by pi r square h. Therefore dm will be equal to, now dv is pi r square, area into width is dy, and into 3m by pi r square into h. And for calculation of r, we can apply the similarity in these triangles. So the first triangle is this one. So r upon y is equal to, the second triangle is this one. This is capital R upon h. So r is equal to y r by h. So dm is equal to pi r square dy into, now value of r square is equal to y square r square by h square into dy into 3m upon pi r square h. Now this pi cancels with pi, this r square cancels with r square, and therefore dm is equal to 3m y square dy upon h cube. This is dm. Now the y coordinate, obviously we have to calculate only the y coordinate because x coordinate will be 0 if this is the origin, because this is a line of symmetry. So YCOM will be equal to integration of y dm upon total mass. So YCOM will be equal to this y coordinate of this point will be y. I am considering this point as origin. This is origin 0, 0. So the y coordinate will be this y, and dm will be equal to 3m y square dy divided by h cube and divided by m, cancelling m with m. So YCOM will be equal to 3y cube dy integration divided by h cube, 0 to limit of y is 0 to h. So YCOM will be equal to 3h by 4 from this point. So this center of mass COM will be at a depth of 3h by 4 and h by 4 from this point. So this will be the center of mass COM. Okay, Now we will calculate the center of mass of hollow cone in the next video. Thank you.